In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in Wix. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your web design skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Wix's website. If you're not familiar with it, Wix is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create stunning websites with ease. Once you're on their homepage, what you need to do next is create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to Wix, take a moment to fill in your details and set up your account. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll have access to all Wix's fantastic tools and features. Now, once you've logged in, you're going to land on the Wix dashboard. Look for the option that says Create New Site in the Wix editor. Give it a click, and you'll be on your way to starting your brand new website. At this point, Wix will prompt you with some options on how to get started with your site. Take a moment to think about what you need and what suits you best. Wix offers different approaches, including using Wix ADI or Artificial Design Intelligence, which designs a site for you based on your answers to a few questions. Or you can choose to start from scratch. After you've decided how you want to proceed, you'll move on to the exciting part, choosing a template. Wix has a vast array of templates for almost any type of website you can imagine. Spend some time browsing through the options or use the search bar to find one that fits your specific niche. Once something catches your eye, go ahead and click Edit to start customizing. Now, this is where you get to infuse your personality and brand into your site. Customizing your elements is all about making the template yours. Change colors, replace images, adjust text, and move sections around. Wix's drag and drop editor makes it incredibly easy for you to see the changes in real time. But if you want to add extra functionality, such as contact forms, galleries, or an online store, check out the Wix App Market. It's packed with applications that can enhance your site's capabilities. With just a few clicks, these apps can seamlessly integrate into your website. Once you're happy with how your site looks and functions, it's time to see it in action. Click on Preview, located in the top right corner. This gives you the chance to ensure everything is perfect without any surprises popping up after you go live. Finally, after previewing and confirming everything looks great, hit that Publish button when you're ready to share your creation with the world. Congratulations! You've just built a website with Wix. Remember, with Wix, you can always return and make changes whenever you want, so feel free to experiment and update your site as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!